Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be helping my friend Brendan. So we're going to be installing the spacer on his WRX. This is actually going to be my first video. The other one was meat, so I did like a little clip from everything and the music. Nothing fancy. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not a professional YouTuber. This is just for fun and just to document my build, because last time I did a Civic and I didn't have videos and stuff from the build.